In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering and sharing ideas, whether for DIY projects, inspiration for home decor, or planning a dream vacation. But sometimes, you might want to manage more than one account. Perhaps you have a personal account and a business account, or maybe you want to maintain separate accounts for different interests. Whatever your reason, adding multiple accounts to Pinterest is quite easy. So, grab your device and let's walk through the process together. First off, you'll want to open Pinterest and sign into your primary account, the one you currently use. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly to gain access to the account. Once you're signed in, look for the down arrow located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where the magic begins. When you click on that down arrow, a menu will drop down, giving you several options to choose from. Look for the option that says Add Pinterest Account. This is the key step that will lead you to link an additional account. After clicking on that option, you'll see another section titled Connect Existing Account. Here, you need to click on Connect Account. Now, this step is where you'll input the details for the account you'd like to add. You'll need to enter the email address and the password associated with your other Pinterest account. Make sure that you double-check your credentials to avoid any login issues. It's always a bit frustrating to get locked out because of a simple typo, right? After entering your email and password, go ahead and click the Login button. If everything goes smoothly and your information is correct, you should see a confirmation that your second account is now linked to your current account. Isn't that easy? But wait, we're not done yet. You might be wondering how to switch between your accounts once they're linked. It's simple. Just head back to the top right corner of your screen again, where you see the account icon. Click on it, and you'll see a list under Your Accounts. This list will display both the original account and the newly added one. From here, all you need to do is select the account you want to use. Click on it, and voila! You're now switched to that account. You can easily hop back and forth between your accounts whenever you need to. It's a really convenient feature, especially for those of us juggling multiple interests or responsibilities. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple accounts on Pinterest and learned how to switch between them effortlessly. This feature can really enhance your Pinterest experience, making it easier to keep your projects and inspirations organized. Remember, whether it's a personal board filled with recipes or a business account showcasing your products, managing multiple accounts allows you greater flexibility and creativity on the platform. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support encourages me to create more content like this, helping you make the most out of your social media interactions. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!